What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to continue working on our 2020 Mustang GT. In previous video we finished painting our door jamb, trunk area as well as inside of our trunk lid. So paint is dry, so let's go ahead, remove all the masking and the plastic around and also do the cleanup, and we will go ahead from there. So guys, I have completely removed the masking from the car. Next step is to install the trunk lid. So I'm going to install the rubber seal, all the hinges and the trunk lid. So let's continue with that. So guys, I have installed the trunk lid, and now I'm going to go ahead and install our passenger door. Okay guys, look at this. I found some extra broken wires and I've already fixed it. And guess what? We have now our passenger door window working, as well as our central console is working. Let me just show you guys. Look at the glass. It's up now. Everything is working. The lock, unlock, everything. I'm just so happy about this that I found this wiring and I fixed it. Now all our electrical issues are fixed. So there is no more any electrical problems. Hey guys, it's been couple of days later. It's a different place and it took me a long time to move everything around. So finally I'm back on working on our Mustang. So finally I started prepping our trunk lid. Bumper is started prepping. This area was painted in our last video, but there was some problems and I have an issue with the orange peel. When I spray paint the door jam, it was super cold. So I think there was an issue with compressor and everything. Hey guys, so it's over a day later. Our primer is completely dry. It looks perfect and it's ready for wet sanding. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 600 grit sandpaper, wet sand our trunk lid, bumper, door jamb, also our spoiler, hood hinges, and then we will go from there. So let me set the camera for time lapse and see you later. So guys, finally I'm done with the sanding all the pieces. I used the 600 grit sandpaper with the water to do wet sanding on the bumper, trunk lid, door jamb. Also I used the maroon scuff pad for the spoiler. Because it's already painted, I have to just scuff the clear coat so we can put the base coat on top of that. So next step will be I'm going to put some masking tape on the car. That way we can put the masking plastic and mask off the area which we are not going to paint today. After that I'm going to wax and grease remover to prep all the pieces and then we're going to spray some paint. So let's put some masking paper and masking tape and the plastic on the car and we will go from there. So guys, I'm done with the masking of everything. Our car is ready to go. Spoiler, hood hinges, trunk lid, bumper cover, our sensor, everything is ready to go. So let's do some wax and grease removing. Then I'm going to mix our sealer and then spray the first coat of the sealer. So guys, this is the final product of our paint job. We have a bumper cover painted, trunk lid, spoiler, hood hinges and also door jamb, and without any orange peel. And it looks perfect. It came out very nice, more than what I expected. So guys, I think I'm going to stop video over here. We have done lots of progress in this video. We started with the prepping of bumper, trunk lid, spoiler, all of the remaining pieces. Primer it, sand it, put the body filler where it needed, prep it properly and finally painted it. And also in this video we were able to fix all of our electrical issues, which is the big plus. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe to not miss out any all Mustang GT episodes and any other new content. See you next time.